Hello guys, today we're going to make the Dalgona coffee, and all you need, we have the 2 tablespoons of coffee, and then 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of hot water, and mix it all together using the mixer. Okay. Just mix and mix until this becomes creamy and sticky. Alright, now the mixture is creamy and sticky, so let's put it on top of your milk. This mixture will do 2 servings, so I have this 2 milk here, and then we'll at first, next one is put an ice. So this is my ice, guys. It's a metal ice cube, so I have to put 2 each. That's it. And then I have to put a twist on this trending Dalgona coffee, so I have to put a Rhum on it. Okay, so just pour 2 tablespoons, or just 1 spoon is enough. So I just have 1 because I really don't like Rhum. This one is for me. And then next one, you have to put your mixture on top of this milk. Okay, just pour the desired amount you want. It's not so creamy. And sprinkle a little bit of coffee granules to look fabulous. That's it. So here you go, guys. This is my version of Dalgona coffee with a twist. So there's a Rhum in it. It's gonna be like a Spanish coffee. And it's ready to serve. So this is how it looks like when it's mixed already.